Welcome to A-Tech. Today, we're diving into some hidden features of the iPhone keyboard that you might not be using yet, but definitely should be. Let's get started. Number 1, Siri keyboard features. First up, the Siri keyboard. When you use Type to Siri, you'll notice a logo that hides and shows Siri's suggestions. Just tap it to toggle suggestions, simple, but super useful for quick interactions. Number 2, Unit Conversions. Here's a time saver, unit conversions right from the keyboard. Enable Show Math Results in your settings, and you can type things like 75 Fahrenheit and get the conversion instantly in the predictive text field. No need for a calculator app. Number 3, Hover Text for accessibility. For those who need clearer text, Hover Text in accessibility settings lets you zoom in on what you're typing, adjusting the font, size, and position to make it more readable. Number 4, Bilingual keyboard. Typing in 2 languages. With iOS, you can add a second language directly to your keyboard, and it will switch automatically as you type, no need to switch keyboards manually. Number 5, Undo Autocorrect. Accidentally triggered autocorrect? Simply tap backspace, and an undo button will appear, letting you restore your original text. Number 6, Trackpad mode for text selection. Use trackpad mode by holding the space bar to move the cursor freely. For text selection, tap with 2 fingers to select text instantly, no need for tapping and dragging. Number 7, Emoji reactions. Want to react to a message with an emoji? Just drag it from the keyboard, resize, rotate, and drop it directly into your conversation. It's a fun and quick way to express yourself. Number 8, Uppercase Quick Access. Need to type in all caps? Double-tap the Shift key for uppercase, or tap and hold a letter to type a single uppercase letter quickly. Number 9, Alternative characters and symbols. Hold down keys like O or the $sign to access alternative characters and symbols without switching keyboards, super convenient for typing in different languages. That's it for today's iPhone keyboard tips. If you found these features useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.